Hi everyone, welcome to the Art of 3D Experience, and my name is Frank, and today I would like to show you a neat little trick that I'm sure you didn't know of before, and that is to how you can modify your object without using the actual basic deformers. You can actually modify your object using the Mograph deformers. Most people think that you can only use Mograph effectors with the Mograph basic object, but you can actually use Mograph effectors on your object. So let me just show you quickly how you can do that. So I'm gonna try and affect this roof object on this 3D model. And to do that, I'm going to select my object. I'm going to go to Mograph effector, and I'm going to try and apply, let's say, the random effector. And I'm going to drag and drop that into my roof to make it a child of the roof. And as you can see, nothing happens. So what I need to do after I've done that is I need to select my random effector, go to deformer, and I can use the deformation option and switch it to either object, point, or polygon. I'm going to go for point just to show you how that works. So as you can see now, all my points are being transformed randomly using obviously the random effector. But to show you how that works even better, I'm going to switch on the effector. I want to change the random mode to noise. Right, so that's a little bit less powerful. And then I'm going to play my animation just to show you how that works. As you can see, all my points are being affected randomly on all three axes, X, Y, and Z. And what you can also do is you can go back to deformer. You can change the deformation option from point to object. And what that does is the same thing, but moving the whole object randomly on my three axes. Or I can also change it to polygon, and it will do something very similar to the point object, the point mode, but it will just affect just my polygons. And that is how you can affect your object with Mograph effectors rather than your basic Cinema 4D deformers. And obviously you can go in, you can make amends, you can increase the strength of your deformer, you can make it, increase the y-axis, increase the z-axis to make it more powerful. There you go. And there you go. You can see how you can have a play and see what you can do with these deformers. They're actually really powerful to create really randomized effect. And also you can use most of the Mograph effectors on any of your objects. Like you can use the formula effector, for example. You can use the step formula for the step deformer effector, sorry. So you can use all of these effectors on your objects if you wanted to. So just to show you that you don't have to use the Mograph effectors just on these objects. You can also use them on your basic objects. So that's it. I hope you've gained something from this, and I hope you've learned something, and I will see you in the next video.